Hi everybody, and I have an exciting video for you today. Yes, boo-boo. Yes, live, I speak live. Oh my god. I'm loving my head wraps, loving. I almost don't want to do my hair for my birthday. Did I say my birthday? I think yes, yes, auntie. So my birthday is the 3rd of December. I'm gonna be 29 years old. So my birthday is coming up. It's the 3rd of December, and I'm having a birthday giveaway. Yes, and I'm doing it through an app called Resultly. Now let me show you my Resultly app. It's on my phone, and you can get it downloaded on whatever mobile device that you have. It's called Resultly. So this is the app right here. That R that you're seeing, that's the Resultly app. And what it is, right, so that's what it looks like. Now I am a influencer on the Resultly page, and thank you so much Resultly for even making me an influencer. And I'm doing this, okay, so on my Resultly app page, on my Resultly profile page, what do you call that thing? Profile. On my Resultly profile, there is I have a lot of lists, and one of my lists is the birthday my birthday wish list. Now you can go on my Resultly page and you can choose any item you want. That is, you can't pass $100. You can't pass, yes, you can't go over $100. Now I haven't yet. So if there's anything that you want, you first have to follow me on Resultly. So that means you have to create your own Resultly page, which is pretty easy. Just go over there, sign up, and you're good to go. So you have to sign up using Resultly, as well as you have to follow me, and then I'll pick the winner from my Resultly page. What you have to do is comment on the item that you want. So if the item that you want is like $40 something and you want another one that's like $50 something, it doesn't matter. As long as it's under $100, I'll send the money to your PayPal or whatever, and you can just purchase straight off my Resultly page. Isn't that cool? So it's like shopping, yeah? So I am doing a birthday giveaway. I really hope you guys like this idea. My birthday is the 3rd of December, so the giveaway ends on the 4th of December. So the giveaway starts today. All you have to do is do up your Resultly profile, and after you've done up your Resultly profile, you follow me on Resultly, and the list that says B-Day list, you just comment on what you want. Like, I want this, I want this, I want this. Alright, shout out to all my Sagittarians up in this piece, and shout out to Resultly. Don't forget to follow, don't forget, man, open the door, such a sexy beast, sexy beast. Yeah, so don't forget to follow me on Resultly, and don't forget as well to comment on what you want. I want to share with you guys, and it's a tiny giveaway. Milo, look how you look off the lights. It is a tiny giveaway, I know, but I really want to give back and give back through this app. Alright you guys, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you in my next one.